Well, good evening, guys and girls. I got some mail, and what only thing I was expecting was not supposed to come until late October, well, mid-October, early November. So I am curious of what this is, and it came from China. And I don't remember ordering it from China, y'all. So this is kind of making me nervous. But we're going to open this together. So let's see. I hope it ain't in the crawl and jump out of here. I really don't remember what it is. And I'll be surprised if it's here. Well, this wasn't supposed to be here right now. Okay, so I think that's what this is. I hope so. If not, y'all finna hit me holler. Okay, let me see if I can position this where you guys can see it better. I need witnesses. Let's see. Okay, so without my information showing, this is the package. I don't know if you can see any information. So that's not really a good angle, but I need my desk. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. This is my asparagus roots, and they really wasn't supposed to be here. They said October, November. So this is gonna make me actually go and have to get them set probably today, because they're warm, and I don't know. I need to check to see what to do with them next. So here they are. Let me see. My asparagus. Can you see them out of here? So I guess I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to plant them, but I need to check to see. I wasn't expecting them until October, November, and they came faster. So now I'm left with finding where I'm gonna put them. So I guess, I don't know, because I wasn't expecting them. So I didn't have anything prepared right away. But anyway, so that was a quick mail opening. Was the asparagus. So this came, it says China. So I want you guys to see. I ordered it off of Amazon. So, wow. So I guess the next thing I gotta do, I really need to find out exactly what I'm gonna plan on, how to amend the soil, this is gonna be tough. So I'm gonna have to actually go and buy some soil, because I didn't have any soil I have some cocoa core, but I still need some soil. Because if I'm going to use my brick, I'm going to need some more soil. And I'm going to go ahead and get the soil ready for the roses and all that stuff that I'll be getting ready to start planting pretty soon. Anyway, I wanted to show you that that mail opening. Like I said, it took me by surprise. And I was working on another project, but I did not say when I was going to have that one taken care of. But I do want to address, once again, for those that in my seed swapping exchange group, I do have them ready. I just have to put the addresses on them. And yes, I have started receiving them in the mail. How do I know who they belong to? When I take the packages out, I have their names on here, so I know who those people will be. And when I actually get everything filled out and sent to the post office, will most likely be anywhere from Monday evening or Tuesday. It just depends, because I have to try to go on my lunch break. Otherwise, I probably won't make the post office in time. And I'm debating, because I don't want to be at the post office and then so magically they have a long line, then I'm going back to work late. So I did not forget about you. I have 5 packages here, and the names are on the packages. I do not have any more seeds to exchange or share at this time. But for those that was interested in seeds that was not able to get in this here bunch, I'm pretty sure that we have some other friends that's in the group that might have them. So reach out to them. When I send these off, I will put their names in the group message. So those that did request these that was not able to get him can know that they was either in that group that I mailed off or they wasn't. So and I might do that. I might add that on there prior to me mailing these off, because I don't want you to have to wait too long to know if you was in that group. And as you can see, I'm not the fastest person in the world, but some of my seed people, it just took me time to make sure I had the right seeds in the right baggies to get to the right person. So I want to be really careful and mindful that, I feel the request that they asked, or what I can of what they asked. So it is 5 people that I will be mailing these off to. It will be Monday. Hopefully no later than Tuesday. I can actually get them off. I think the post office closed at 4:30. So by the time I get home, it's already 4 o'clock. So I have to make sure that I can get to the post office before they close, if I do it after work, or take a chance at lunchtime, spend my lunchtime to mail them off, hoping that they don't take so long to do what they got to do. I mean, I shouldn't be in the post office more than 15 minutes, but you never know. So again, I have not, forgot, and they are on their way. So, yes. I hope you enjoyed that mail opening. It was some asparagus roots. They should be like the 2-year. They are the, let me see if they're going to put it on, if they put it on here. See, when they mailed this here in Chinese. And it's supposed to be 2 different kinds. So I don't know if this is one particular kind or not. But I'm going to open it, show you again. This is how they look. And this look, I think this is 10 in here. So I know I'm going to have to, they stink. So I'm going to have to get those planted pretty soon. They cannot stay in my house. Yeah, so have a good day. Please like, subscribe, share the video. And if you have not joined the Seed Exchange Club, you probably want to check that out. You can probably go to Diva Jones 03 YouTube page, and she can share the information with you, so you can get more information about it. Other than that, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.